Put out the campfire, mastering the meaning. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that's not only useful but also packed with cultural and safety implications. Put out the campfire. Whether you're an avid camper or just love learning practical English expressions, this video is for you. We'll explore what it means, why it's important, and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. So, let's get started. Put out the campfire might seem straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. To put out generally means to extinguish, and a campfire is a fire at a campsite used for warmth, cooking, or entertainment. So, putting these two together, put out the campfire, means to extinguish the fire at a campsite completely. It's crucial to ensure the fire is thoroughly extinguished because even a small, seemingly harmless ember can reignite or spread, leading to wildfires. This phrase encompasses responsibility towards nature, safety, and adherence to camping best practices. The significance of this phrase goes beyond just a simple camping activity. It highlights safety. Ensuring the fire is completely out prevents the risk of wildfires, which can cause extensive damage to wildlife, forests, and even human lives. Environmental responsibility. Teaching and practicing this phrase underlines the importance of conserving nature and being responsible visitors in the great outdoors. Cultural context. In many English-speaking countries, especially those with vast wilderness areas like the United States, Canada, and Australia, camping is a popular activity. Knowing this phrase and its importance is part of understanding and respecting the culture and the environment. You can use "put out the campfire" in various situations, not just when you're literally around a campfire. It's a great metaphor for taking responsibility and ensuring safety in different contexts. Here are a few examples. Literal use. Before we head back to the tents, let's make sure to put out the campfire completely. Metaphorical use. It's important to put out the campfire on any disagreements before they escalate into something more serious. Remember, using this phrase correctly not only shows your command of English but also your awareness of safety and environmental conservation. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, "put out the campfire." We hope this has illuminated not just its literal meaning but also its broader implications for safety, responsibility, and environmental conservation. As you continue your journey learning English, remember that phrases like these are windows into the culture and values of English-speaking communities. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.